with Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting. I want to talk with you again today about leadership, and specifically about the leadership mindset. What exactly is your mindset, your leadership mindset? Are you defeated? Or are you just getting started kicking some ass? You know, what I think is important for a leader is to choose how you're going to go out into the world and try to make a difference. I try to be growth oriented. I try to think about how many abundant resources there are here on planet Earth at my disposal to help me get my job done. And I try to think about getting in front of change. The world has become a very volatile, uncertain, complicated, and ambiguous place. And I expect that. And I anticipate it. And I try as best I can to plan for it and to prepare for it in advance. And when that volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity comes along, I'm ready for it. You can be too. See you next time.